Hi, this is Guy from Permobil. Keeping your wheelchair and its accessories clean and disinfected is an important but often overlooked part of routine maintenance. It can help ensure your product look good, continue to function well, and most importantly, it can help to limit the spread of bacteria and viruses. Today we will take a look at how to clean some of the most common Permobil products. And now, let's review what you can do to clean your Permobil power wheelchairs. Before we begin, remember to keep your wheelchair powered off during this cleaning process. Generally, you should not use solvents or abrasive cleaners when cleaning your Permobil power wheelchairs. Let's start with some of the most touched surfaces that will need cleaning. The joystick, head and mouth controls, push handles, armrest, and head support should all be cleaned regularly, along with other exposed surfaces, the seating system and chassis. For cleaning metal and plastic surfaces, you should use a soft cloth or sponge damped with hot water and mild detergent. Make sure to wipe down surfaces carefully. Rinse or wipe with clean water and a soft cloth, and let completely dry before next use. Make sure to take special care not to get water on other liquids in the control panel or various electronic components of your chair. For any cloth or vinyl upholstery on your chair, wash with warm water and mild, non-abrasive soap with a soft cloth or brush. Before the surfaces dry, wipe off any water or cleaning residue with a clean, dry cloth. If necessary, upholstery covers may be removed and washed accordingly to the label instructions. After thorough cleaning, surfaces which come into direct contact with the user or caregivers can be treated with an EPA-registered disinfectant. Always remember to follow manufacturer's instruction for the product you are using. Please note that the disinfectants are not effective on porous surfaces such as foam. We hope that this video has been helpful, and remember to always refer to your owner manual for cleaning and care recommendations for your specific product. If you have any questions, please reach out to your dealer or contact the Permobil customer care team.